Alright folks, today I'm gonna show you how to cook this butter sous vide ribeye. It's time to grill. So first of all, credits to my buddy Christian from Cook with Meat. Thanks for having the idea 2 years ago, approximately almost 2 years ago. He launched this video from the West, the Winter Extreme South Tyrol ice barbecue event. Really cool video. I put the link in the video description and the end card, so you can check it out later. So I'm glad to try this now. This is butter, and we put the butter into a pot and we put the pot on our grill. So this is my Broil King Imperial gas grill, and we put this pot to the right side in front, and we open and start only one burner and put this on the lowest temperature you can use. So it's the idea of letting the butter melt pretty slowly. So butter is not very good with high temperature, otherwise it would burn soon, and that's not what we are looking for. So we are headed for a temperature of 50 degrees Celsius, which is approximately 95 degrees Fahrenheit. And as soon as we get to this temperature, we will add the ribeye steak. So someone said ribeye steak. This is something really interesting I never had before. This is a Canada Gold Beef Entrecôte. Entrecôte is similar to ribeye. In the past it was not 100% the same, but it was close. Today people use ribeye and entrecôte as names for the same kind of meat cut. So we just take that ribeye, and now the 50 degrees are there, so we can just throw it in there. So the total cooking time for that is 50 minutes, and of course after you added the colder steak, the temperature drops a little bit for 2 or 3 degrees. I love to combine sous vide and grilling, and I have that sous vide stick. You might have seen that in some of my other videos, for example my red wine ribeye, where I filled a complete bottle of red wine into a pot and then added the sous vide stick. I won't recommend that for the butter sous vide steak. So it's just the idea of letting that temperature controlled by the grill. It works. I will show you the result right now. The 50 minutes are completely over, and this is our butter sous vide ribeye entrecôte. So really the butter flavor is really cool. So we're gonna take it out. It's getting cold in Germany again, so the butter, as you can see here, really gets hard soon. So take a paper towel and just clean it a little bit. And then in the meantime I started the first 2 burners of my Broil King Imperial on full power, so we can now give a short crust or a short sear with higher temperature for that ribeye steak. Of course I love to salt my steak short before grilling. And now don't grill it too long. Approximately 2 minutes per side should be enough, just to get a little bit of a branding there. I've speed that up a little bit for you, just to make sure. So there you go. You can now take your finger and press to see how soft it is. So for me this one is perfect. So we're gonna take it out, let it rest for some more seconds, and then we cut and see how it looks from the inside. I have to apologize, it's getting dark very quick in Germany, but this one is so soft and it's like butter, you know, really cool. Of course the knife is sharp, but that one is so soft and so tender. Wow. So the color inside is something between 54 till 56 degrees Celsius. The color of the beef is a little bit different. Maybe that's the gold beef. I haven't had that before. We will now open this one. We add some pepper and take a shot for Instagram. If you're not on Instagram, make sure to go there and follow me there. We have a lot of funny stories going on there, so that's really, really cool, really interesting. Otherwise, you can join my Facebook page as well, or visit me on Patreon. Whatever you like, I'm everywhere. So, pretty cool right now. I'm gonna give this a shot. Please make sure to subscribe to 0815 Barbecue by clicking on the logo on the left side of the screen. Make sure to watch Christian's video for the sous vide porterhouse steak he made 2 years ago. Really cool video. Yeah, that's it. We're seeing us again next Barbecue Thursday. Thanks for watching. I'm out. See you. But now hurry. It's getting dark. Hmm.